Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a Target / Ross haul and I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got, but first I'm going to do a couple disclaimers. I know you guys hate these, but I just need to get this out of the way. First of all, if you hear that noise in the background, our furnace is making a really high-pitched squeaky noise right now that we cannot figure out why. It's like it's like 3 degrees outside right now where I live, so my furnace is constantly going, and in order to get this filmed for you, I'm gonna have to have that in the background. Also, you're gonna hear my cat meowing because I've locked him out. I've tried having him in and out and he's just meowing the whole time, so if you hear that, I'm sorry. Third thing is, I do have a newborn son who you may hear in the background. His father's out there, my partner, but our child is baby. He cries, he fusses, so you may hear that in the background. If those things annoy you, I'm sorry, you don't have to watch this video, I totally understand, but I did want to go ahead and mention that in case you guys are curious as to what's going on. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this haul. So I first want to show you guys the big things that I got so I can get them out of the way because right now they're kind of like sitting on me. The first thing that I picked up here is this art piece. I'm actually going to throw in a picture of it because I feel like it would be easier to show. I absolutely love this. We saw it at Ross and it was only $25, $24.99, and it is like weird and quirky and I absolutely love it. Both Jacob and I were like, we have to have that in our house. So we're going to be putting it up in Jacob's little office space that we have set up, which is part of our living room. If you've ever seen our house, our living room's kind of long, so part of it is Jacob's office. And we're gonna hang it in there, and I'm really excited because I think it's super freaking funny and super freaking cute. So I thought that was a perfect piece of art for our home, and like I said, it was only $25, which I thought was a pretty good price for how big the canvas is. The next thing we got is a comforter set for our new bed. Jacob and I did purchase a larger bed. It's not completely fully in yet. I'm still waiting on a headboard that we ordered the wrong size of. That doesn't matter. But I wanted to go ahead and get a comforter and sheet set so that when it got here we could use it. The bed did come with white sheets, but I'm just not a huge fan of white sheets. I prefer black if I'm being honest with you, but Target did not have any black sheets, so we went with gray, which I also really like. So the comforter itself is just gray. I'm gonna try to show you the picture that's on the bag. This thing is very huge. I don't know if you guys can see that very well, but it's a pretty basic, just gray comforter. It also comes with some pillow shams and then some decorative pillows. I don't know if we'll use the decorative pillows, but this was a really good price for everything that you got in it, so we did snag this because it was kind of with what we were wanting. We got sheets, gray sheets from the Room Essentials line from Target. We got the jersey knit kind and they're in gray, but they're not in this. I don't know where they're at. I'm gonna have to talk with Jacob when I go back out there to see if maybe they're in our car. Hopefully we didn't leave them at Target because that's an hour and a half away. The majority of stuff that we got at Target was actually gifts for the nurse that we had in labor and delivery. I spoke very highly of her. Her name is Rachel, and she made our delivery and labor experience absolutely magical. So Jacob and I wanted to do something to give back to her. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you know that I did little gift bags for the nurses at the hospital that I was supposed to deliver at, and I went ahead and gave them those because I had worked pretty closely with them because I was in labor and delivery so much. But because I ended up going to a high-risk doctor, I didn't know who was going to be delivering me, and I was really anxious about that. But the nurse that we had, she was there when the first night I got induced, and then she was there the night that Gideon was born, my son, and she just really went above and beyond to make us feel really comfortable, and I really just liked her as a person. I did a full TikTok on what we got her, so if you guys are curious, I may insert this here. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in there or not, but if not, I will leave my TikTok information below. It's just at heysabrinafaith, like all my other social medias, and you guys can watch that to see what we got for her. But like I said, I think I'm gonna insert it in this video so that you don't have to leave. Okay, I'm sure that some of you guys saw my little nurses package that I did for the nurses at my old hospital. I wasn't going to do anything for the nurses at the hospital that I delivered at because I didn't know them, but the nurse that delivered my son was super special to Jacob and I. She made my labor super awesome, and so I wanted to do something to give back to her specifically because she made the labor like amazing. So I wanted to show you guys what I got her. First of all, this bag says "You're pretty cool," and I'm going to show you guys what's inside of it. First thing is I'm going to write a little card note, and this one says, "Girl, you have greatness in your bones." I got her a water bottle. I thought this would be great for her shifts, but also I just like having reusable water bottles to make sure that I'm drinking my water, so I thought that would be great. Every nurse I've heard loves good pens, so I got her some pens. I got her a Starbucks gift card so that she could treat herself with some Starbucks. I got her a face mask and a bath bomb so that she could have a treat yourself night. I got her some candy and some hand sanitizer. This isn't my favorite scent. And we're getting ready to go deliver it now. One of the things we got at Target was literally just sitting there, and I've seen people talk about these online. These are the Lady Gaga Oreos. They were just sitting on a random shelf, like someone had decided that they didn't want them anymore, and I decided that I did want them. So I did pick these up, and I'm super excited to eat them because I love Oreos. I've been feeling really insecure about all the sugar and sweets that I've been eating, but could not pass those up. Another thing that I got that's food related are these lactation cookies. As I mentioned before, I am trying to breastfeed my son, and if you guys have ever breastfed, you know that it's a full-time job in itself, and I'm trying to work on getting my supply built up so that I can produce enough milk for him so we don't have to supplement for formula. So I wanted to try these lactation cookies just to see if they work for me. I'm just trying whatever I can to try to help build up my supplies, and I thought I would give these a go. I also picked up this reusable straw. It was in the dollar spot. I'm a sucker for the dollar spot. This was only $1, and it's yellow, which is my favorite color, so I wanted to snag this just to use either if I'm out and about, or I do drink a lot of stuff from cans when I'm at home, and I thought this would be just kind of handy to have at home as well. I also picked up a Valentine's Day card. This is for my aunt. She's always sending me cards and stuff like that. I know that it's past Valentine's Day right now, but she did send me a Valentine's Day card, and I'm late on my shit, so I'm gonna send her one back even though it is late. I just picked that up real quick. And then because Jacob and I have been hurting a lot, he's going through a lot of tooth pain. He actually has to have dental surgery. I'm still recovering from giving birth, and my back is just really sore. I think it's from the epidural, but I have a horrible back anyway. We got some pain relief. So this is Bayer Back and Body. It's something Jacob has been using for his teeth. It really helps a lot, and I actually used this yesterday when I was having a really bad headache, and it worked really well. So I do like this. I've never really tried it outside of yesterday. And then because I've been having so much muscle pain, which unfortunately does give me really bad headaches, Jacob picked this up. He said that he has used it before and it works really well. And apparently it's something that a lot of people in sports use for like muscle pain. So we're gonna give this a go. We're gonna rub it on my back and my neck and see what it does, because I have a ton of muscle pain from just using my muscles so much, being in my wheelchair, and those cause me so much pain. So hopefully this works. Okay, so now we're gonna be getting into what I picked up at Ross. I have been wanting to do like TJ Maxx, Ross, Michaels, all that stuff. Michaels, that's not what I meant, Marshalls. But unfortunately we just didn't have a lot of time yesterday, so we did go to Ross. They were extremely picked over. I'm not sure why, but that's where we picked up the Jesus painting that I showed earlier. Absolutely love that. And then I'm going to show you what else we got. I'll start with baby items because you know I had to pick up a couple things from a little dude. We got him a couple pairs of socks. This is 8 pairs of socks. He doesn't have a lot of socks, and if you have a newborn, I guess adults go through this too, you lose socks a lot. So we picked up these little socks for him. You got 8 pairs for $5. And I just thought that they were super cute and something that we need. I also picked up this bottle. This is the Tommy Tippy bottle. It was $7. No, it was $4. I picked up some Como Tomo bottles from Amazon, and I think he likes those. I like them, but I thought this would be another brand that's similar to try. And this says that we can add cereal to it, which our pediatrician did recommend we start doing that. And it's supposed to be very similar to like a mother, like her breast, him breastfeeding. So hopefully him going from bottle to breast won't be too confusing. Like I said, it was only $4. I didn't think it was that bad. So if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I'll just pass it along to somebody else. And then I picked up 3 things of wipes. I got 2 different ones of Pampers. And then there was this other brand here that's just a sensitive skin wipe. These were all under $2, and you can always use wipes. If he doesn't go through them, I will. I use wipes for myself. So I just picked up a couple extra of those because, like I said, you can never have too many. And now we're getting into the few things I picked up for myself. I have really been into like comfort, leggings, stuff like that lately. I think it's because I'm home, but also because having that stuff, wearing it makes me feel like I'm put together, but I'm still able to feel comfortable. I'm sure that a lot of you guys can relate to that since we're at home still a year later on quarantine. Like right now I'm just wearing leggings and a sweatshirt and I feel put together, but I also am super comfortable. So I picked up this sports bra. I'm hoping that it fits me. Having a sports bra while I'm breastfeeding is insanely important because it helps. One, it helps when I'm pumping. I don't have a hands-free pump, and I can just put the pumps in the little breast cups and it holds it so that my hands are free. But also I need to have easy access so that I can breastfeed whenever he's ready. So having a sports bra is great. This one may be a little bit harder because it does have a higher up like neckline, but I thought this would be great to just have to wear around the house to feel comfortable with some leggings that I bought. So that's the first thing I picked up for myself. And I saw this sweatshirt And I thought this was just so cute, if you guys can see. And it says, what's done in love is done well. Has that at the top and then on the sleeve. And I do think this is like a cropped. It may not be cropped on me because I'm sitting, but I think it was meant to be cropped. But I thought, again, this would just be great to have, you're gonna hear my furnace again, to put on over like a sports bra and wear those leggings. It's comfortable, it's cute, it's just comfortable, and that's what I'm all for. So I grabbed that. And then I got 2 pairs of leggings. The first ones that I saw here were this pink color. As you guys can see, they have pockets and stuff like that. This is in an extra large, and I'm hoping that they fit me because they look kind of small. And the next ones that I got here are also, I think, in an extra large. These are in a 2XL. These look a little bit nicer. This, I think, is a brand from Target. It's called All in Motion. And again, I like this color, this maroon color. I think it's really nice. And these are just comfortable, cute to wear around the house. I've really been thinking about trying Fabletics. So if you guys have things from Fabletics that you like and you want me to try, let me know in the comments below, because I've really been eyeing some of their sets. I feel like those just are easy to throw on, but you look really nice. I think that means I'm becoming an Instagram mom, because a lot of the moms on Instagram have that. I just personally think it's comfortable, but it makes me feel like I'm put together, so that's why I've been loving it. So let me know if you have any suggestions about that in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for sticking through with this video. If you guys made it to this point, I really appreciate you watching and supporting my channel. Let me know what you guys thought of the things I got in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!